Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Tanya of Mind, Body, and Soul Company. And today we are going to make a sugar scrub bar. We're going to use just clear melt and pour soap, sugar, eucalyptus is what we're going to scent it with, and then we're also going to be using some coconut oil. So I'm going to go ahead and get the melt and pour base melted, and then we'll be right back. Okay, so we have the base melted. Just heated it up in the microwave for 30-second intervals until it was all melted. So now we're going to go ahead and add in our colorant and the coconut oil. And for the colorant, I'm just using one of the chrome color blocks from Brambleberry. So I'm going to shave off a little piece, get that in there, and give it a stir. See what color we end up with here. There we go, and it gives it a nice green color. I didn't want it too dark, but you can add in as much or as little of the color as you would like. And then next, we're gonna go ahead and add in our coconut oil. Okay, so I got that in there, and we're just gonna stir that in, and then we'll see if we need to heat it up a little more or not. The soap base was probably warm enough where that won't be necessary. There we go. All right, that looks good. And now I'm going to go ahead and pour in the eucalyptus essential oil. Now you do not need a ton. Eucalyptus is strong, so it does not take a whole lot to get it scented. Ooh, and just pouring that in, it's already clearing out my sinuses, which is one of the benefits of eucalyptus. It does help with congestion. Okay, and now that we have everything combined, I'm going to go ahead and bring my mold over here. Okay, and we're going to pour in the sugar. Now, once you pour in the sugar and stir it up, you do not have a lot of time to work with it. It does set up really fast. Okay, so I'm going to take my sugar, go ahead and pour it in. Give everything a good stir. You do have to stir it pretty well to get everything combined. There. And as you can see, it is already setting up on us. I think I'm going to add in a little more melt and pour. So give me just a moment here. Okay, that is much better. I added in another 2 ounces or so of melt and pour. So now we're gonna go ahead and get this in our mold. Okay, and as I said, it does set up super fast, so you gotta be ready for it. This will make a couple bars for us. Okay, and then enough for a couple little sample bars. Let me grab that mold real quick. Okay, and I'll just pour the rest of this in for a couple samples. That one's a little full. That's all right. rubbing alcohol just to get rid of our air bubbles. And then we will let this set up for a couple of hours. Really, it'll probably be ready before that because it does harden up pretty quick, but we will be back to unmold. All right, and we are back to unmold our eucalyptus sugar scrub bars. Pops out really easy. Has that nice green color all the way through. And the sugar will make it gently exfoliate, not too rough, but pretty gentle. And the coconut oil will help moisturize. So they're a really nice alternative to regular sugar scrubs, so you don't have the same bath mess, and they're easier to use in the shower. And I hope you all have enjoyed this tutorial on the sugar scrub bars. You can mix it up, use any scent that you would like if eucalyptus is not your favorite, but I do love how it smells, and it's great for in the winter when you may have a cold. But I hope you've enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.